Welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson, we're going to be looking at factorization of complex expressions. For example, if you get an expression that says 2x squared minus 8, the first thing that you need to do here, you check, does this expression and this one have a common factor? And here you realize that you have 2 as a common factor, so you take out 2, and here you remain with x squared, and here you remain with 4. And if you multiply x squared and minus 4, you're going to get minus 4 x squared. So two factors with a difference of 0 is minus 2x and 2x. If you multiply them, they give you minus 4x, and if you add them, if you add these two, they give you 0. So you introduce the middle term inside the bracket. So here you're going to have x squared minus 2x plus 2x minus 4, and here you can factorize. You can introduce another type of bracket called a curly bracket. So here the first two terms, which is this one and this one, you have x as a common factor, so you take out x, and here you remain with x, and here you remain with 2. These two terms, you take out 2, and here you remain with x, and here you remain with minus 2, and you put the closing curly bracket. So here you're going to have two brackets, which is x minus 2, and the other one, which is x plus 2, and here you will be done factorizing. Okay, let's look at another example. Let's say you have an expression that says 2x squared minus 4x plus minus 6 minus 6. So if these three terms you have a common factor, you take out that common factor first. So here if we take out 2, we're going to remain with x squared minus 2x minus 3. Then you look for two factors of minus 3x squared, because you multiply the first term and the last term. So the two factors with a difference of minus 2 is minus 3x and x. So if these two, if you multiply them, they give you minus 3x squared, and if you add them, they give you minus 2x. So you substitute minus 2x in your expression inside the bracket. So you're going to have x squared minus 3x plus x minus 3, and here you introduce curly bracket. These first two terms, you take out x inside the bracket, you remain with x minus 3, and here they are only sharing 1 as a factor, so you're going to take out 1, and you remain with that, and you put the closing bracket there, and here you're going to have two brackets, which is this x minus 3 and x plus 1. X plus 1. Okay, we're going to look at another example. Let's say you have 3x squared plus 12x minus 15. So you check for a common factor of these three terms, and you find 3 is the common factor. You take out 3 here, you remain with x squared plus 4x minus 5. And here you multiply this term and this term, and you get minus 5x squared. So two factors with a difference of 4, and which give you minus 5 x squared. When you multiply them is 5x and minus x. So if you multiply these two, you get minus 5x squared, and if you add them, if you add these two, they give you 4x squared. So you substitute there, and when you substitute, you're going to have 3, when you substitute 4x, you're going to have plus 5x minus x minus 5, and here you introduce the curly bracket, you take out x here, you're going to have x plus 5, and here you take out minus 1, and here you're going to have x plus 5, because here if you divide this by another minus 1, you're going to get a positive answer there. You get a positive answer. That's how you get this positive symbol inside the bracket. So here you're going to have 3 times x plus 5 times x minus 1. So once you get here, you will be done factorizing. So that's all I had for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next lesson.